What's going on, y'all? I am here to tell you exactly how I transformed my client from this to this. Let's get into it. So Sam came to me because he was frustrated about his weight. He wanted to feel confident, he wanted to get his energy up, and he also just wanted to feel good and healthy. One of the things he mentioned to me was he wanted to feel comfortable taking his shirt off in the pool. Now he has a demanding schedule, and one of the major struggles that he had was finding time. So the first things we did was basically do a full audit on his schedule. We looked at exactly what he does on a day-to-day basis from the minute he wakes up to the minute he goes to sleep. We found that he had an hour of free time right after work. So we utilized that to our advantage. So number one thing we did was we constructed a short 45 minutes to an hour workout, which included high-intensity interval cardio, focusing on low rest intervals, and maximizing his strength training to increase muscle mass. And this was carefully constructed to basically increase his muscle and lose fat. The workouts I put for his schedule were 4 times a week at 5 p.m. That was exactly where his free time was, right before going back to home to spend family time. The second thing we did was focus on his habits, and that's basically the most important thing because that prevents regression in his program, and essentially it helps him keep his results and keep it for longer even after the program ends. The number one habit I focused on for him was a step goal of 10,000 steps every single day. So instead of driving to work, Sam would basically walk to work, and that would fulfill his 10K step goal every single day. And the purpose of that was to increase his activity so he can burn more calories throughout the day. It's just a nice, easy way to get into the caloric deficit to allow him to lose fat. 2 other habits that we worked on was drinking 3 liters of water every single day and aiming for 3 vegetables and 3 fruits every single day. Now this keeps him full, it prevents cravings, and it allows him to have full energy even on a caloric deficit. The third thing we did was adjust his calories on a weekly basis, because what the problem is, most of the times when you're on a program, you're going to end up stalling, and it's a coach's ability and the coach's job to basically modify that program so that the client can continue to progress. And that's exactly what we did. We took progress photos, we took measurements, and we saw exactly what needed to be adjusted so he can continue his progress and lose fat and gain muscle. All the time while adjusting his calories, we also gave him flexibility, meaning that he was able to enjoy dinners, he was able to enjoy family functions without feeling guilty of eating a cheat meal. Because at the end of the day, this is all about sustainability. This is all about health, about something that you can stick to for long term. And soon after, on a weekly basis, he was able to see some progress. He did really great. He really started to show changes in his physique, his energy, and the result came out to loss of 18 pounds, loss of inches, and he feels completely comfortable taking his shirt off at the pool now. I mean, look at those abs. I'm proud of Sam. I'm proud of all the work that you've done. I mean, it goes to show that if you put in the work, regardless of a busy lifestyle and schedule, the results will always come. Well, there you have it. I'm Dr. Shah, and this is a client testimonial on the coaching program. And if you're looking to get similar results like Sam did, click on the link below, book a call with me, and let's get to it.